We spent the early part of this decade watching a fragile technological landscape. Ideas swelled, expanded rapidly, and looked ready to burst at any second, until they suddenly solidified into iron. In the early 2020s, the tech sector ran on speculation. AI functioned as a chatbot trick. Crypto operated as a volatile casino. Healthcare remained restricted by legacy institutions. Because of that initial volatility, a large portion of society is still standing by, assuming this entire wave of development is eventually going to pop and fade away. But August 2026 marks the moment these fragmented, experimental technologies permanently integrated into everyday life. The experimental phase is over. We have entered the stage of invisible, production-grade infrastructure that runs whether or not we actively interact with it. You can see this shift in how we work. While models like ChatGPT require a human to prompt every response, SpaceX AI's Grok Bot operates autonomously. It logs into Slack, navigates Google Docs, and executes complex real-world tasks without constant supervision. SpaceX paid $60 billion for Cursor to secure the engineering talent behind agentic reasoning. This specific software logic allows an AI to understand the deep context of a project and navigate multi-step workflows on its own. Grok bots operate in isolated execution sandboxes, running entirely in the cloud, working even when your laptop is closed. They coordinate through a shared memory graph. A bot researching news instantly shares that specific data with a second bot writing the report. Users string these actions together into routines. If a competitor redesigns their website, GrokBot uses computer vision to adapt to the new layout, scrape the updated pricing, and post it to your Slack channel automatically. This transforms the role of the knowledge worker. Human labor is moving away from manual execution and toward the management of 24/7 digital AI teams. Global finance is following the same trajectory toward utility. Dogecoin is now a standard institutional holding in T. Rowe Price ETFs and a direct payment option on Venmo. On the geopolitical scale, Russia's central bank just established a comprehensive legal framework for cryptocurrency, officially approving Bitcoin and Tether for public trading. Blocked from the SWIFT system by Western sanctions, Russia is using the liquidity of these digital assets to settle cross-border transactions and maintain international trade. At the consumer level, MoneyGram has connected its global cash network to the Solana blockchain, activating crypto-to-cash conversions at retail locations in 170 countries. This relies on Solana's ability to process transactions in under 1 second for less than a penny, which makes digital remittances economically viable for the first time. A user can walk into a storefront with cash and have it converted into digital USDC in their wallet within 10 minutes. In reverse, a US worker can send USDC to a family member in the Philippines who withdraws local currency from any MoneyGram location. Cryptocurrency's value is no longer tied to trading. It has become a foundational tool for disintermediating traditional banks, serving both national governments and individual citizens. Consumer culture is likewise bypassing traditional distribution. Rockstar Games is premiering the extended reveal of Grand Theft Auto 6 exclusively on Netflix. A video game with a $2 billion development budget, choosing a streaming platform over gaming-specific channels, marks its transition into a Tier 1 cultural event. This same absorption of legacy industries is happening in healthcare. Samsung received FDA clearance to operate its Galaxy Buds as over-the-counter hearing aids. While traditional hearing aids cost $4,600 and require specialist fittings, these earbuds retail for $300 and function as multi-purpose devices. Samsung's implementation uses clinical-grade beamforming algorithms to isolate speech in front of the user while suppressing background noise. By pairing this with a 5-minute self-assessment, the technology allows users to bypass the audiologist's office. Consumer electronics are actively democratizing medical care, taking on functions previously reserved for the professional medical device industry. The common thread here is the collapse of the boundaries separating artificial intelligence, global finance, mainstream media, and healthcare. This is total disintermediation. These tools place execution power directly into the hands of the user, removing the need for the traditional middlemen who once managed these transactions. Human labor is no longer defined by manual execution or the navigation of institutional bureaucracy. Software agents, digital tokens, and consumer electronics are handling those routine tasks. We have transitioned from operators to directors. With autonomous systems handling execution, our role is to provide judgment and direction for what they build.